guys, today let's take off that bumper. Alright, so there's going to be a bolt there, a bolt there. We're going to need to take the tail lights out. There's going to be a bolt there and a bolt there. Then there's going to be, I think, two underneath the bumper. We're going to need to snap it apart from the corner. Snap it apart from the corner. I think we need to take the tail lights out, and that should be just about it. So let's get to it. All right, so the first thing we're going to do, we're going to take this 8mm, and we're going to take this bolt out on both sides. I'm going to take my little hook pick kit thing right here, and we're going to pop. The cover has a little notch in it. Just going to pop that out. And same thing for the passenger side. Alright, next thing we're going to do is take this cover, pull it out the way, and it should be two bolts, and we're going to slide the tail light assembly out. Now all of my fasteners are missing because I never put them back in, but you're going to have one clip there, you're going to have one clip down there, and the same for the passenger side. I mean the driver's side, have one clip there, one clip there. Yep, so once you get that stuff out of the way, you can just kind of fold this back a little bit, and then you can see the back of the tail light. And then these are the three bolts that we need to get loose. You're going to see 1, 2, and 3. And let's go and try. All right, we got those out. All right, so now so let's see. It's loose back here, but kind of tight up there. All right, so once you got the 3 bolts, nuts from the inside removed, there's a hook on the back. So you're just going to move the whole assembly towards the rear car. It should come out. Alright, there we go. So just gave it a little nudge with the screwdriver. Oh, there it is. So this hook slides into there, and I just put the screwdriver right on the edge, gave it a couple of gentle taps to get loose. So now that it's off, it exposes the top screw that mounts the bolt. Got it. So of course, not the most elegant way to remove it, but I don't know any other way to do it. So do that at your own risk. All right, so now to remove some bolts. Or screws, or whatever you want to call them. Under the car. There's gonna be 2 fasteners under here, so you want to take that one loose, and then there's one on the other side, right there. All right, so I'm gonna use my pick with the 90-degree angle in hopes that I can get this clip loose. There we go. So we got one clip out. I don't know what y'all can see, but basically, there you go. You just want to move the clip. Alright, so now we got to release the tabs that hold it on the side, and it seems like all we need to do is just snap it out like that. take your time. You want everything to go back the way it's supposed to. So just take your time and take your time. Alright, we got something up here. Alright, I gotta take my bolt from my rear fang out. So I'll do that. This probably won't apply to y'all. Let's do the same thing for this side. I said, just take your time. Give it a little wiggle jiggle. Then get up top. Just lift that. Alright, so I don't know if this will apply to y'all, but I had to take the 2 bolts out for my rear fangs, and then there were 2 more bolts underneath that attached there. So I got a bolt for my rear fang there that y'all probably won't have. There's a bolt there and one there. And once you take that loose, the bumper comes free. Alright, we got the bolts out, those screws. So this should just come right off. Oh, there we go. So yeah, bumper off. Everything is here, I guess. And yep, so